Hello there. Today we're embarking on a delicious adventure, making the best sticky, sweet, and smoky BBQ ribs you've ever tasted. Imagine the smell filling your home, making everyone peek into the kitchen asking, "Are they ready yet?" Homemade BBQ ribs are pure magic, juicy, tender, and coated in a shiny glaze that sticks to your fingers. No fancy gadgets needed, just a bit of love and time. We'll pick the best ribs, mix a cracking rub, let them rest, and cook them to perfection. So, put on your apron and get ready to make a meal that brings everyone together. This isn't just cooking, it's about sharing joy and making memories. The kind of meal that makes you want to pat your belly and say, "That was a cracking good meal, Gromit." Let's get started on our delicious claymation creation. It's going to be a grand day out for our taste buds. Ready? Let's dive in. The adventure begins now. First, we need the right ribs. Think of it as choosing the perfect clay for a model. Look for pork ribs with plenty of meat and a nice pink color. Baby back ribs are smaller and tender. Spare ribs are bigger and juicier. Either is a great choice. Just avoid skinny ones. Check for good marbling. That's where the flavor hides. At home, remove the thin membrane from the back of the ribs. It's a bit fiddly, but makes a big difference. Use a butter knife to lift a corner, grab it with a paper towel, and peel it off. Pat the ribs dry and lay them out on a tray. Now, they're a blank canvas, ready for flavor. Choosing the right ribs is the first step to a proper feast. You've done well so far. Next up, let's make them taste amazing. The journey to perfect ribs continues. Get ready for the next step. Let's move on. Time for the fun part, making our special dry rub. Brown sugar brings sweetness and a caramel crust. Smoked paprika adds that essential BBQ smokiness. Add salt, black pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder for depth. A pinch of cayenne gives a gentle kick. Optional, but tasty. Mix everything in a bowl and take in that sweet, smoky aroma. Now sprinkle the rub generously over the ribs, covering every bit. Use your hands to massage the spices in. Don't be shy. The ribs should look dusted in a reddish-brown coat. This is where the flavor magic begins. Every nook and cranny should be covered. The rub is the secret to mouth-watering ribs. They're ready for a rest to let the flavors mingle. Simple, but essential. Next, we let the magic happen. Onward. Our ribs are now coated in their sweet and smoky rub, but patience is key. Wrap them tightly in plastic wrap or a food-safe bag. Let them rest in the fridge. Overnight is best, but a few hours will do. This marinating time lets the salt and spices work deep into the meat. The longer they rest, the more flavorful and juicy they'll be. It's a quiet transformation, but it makes all the difference. Plan ahead and let the ribs nap while you dream of the feast to come. When you're ready to cook, the hard work is already done. The flavors will be in every bite, not just on the surface. This is the secret to unforgettable ribs. Let them sleep and soak up all that goodness. Your patience will be rewarded. Soon, it's time to cook. The anticipation builds. Let's get ready for the oven. It's cooking day. The secret to tender ribs is low and slow. Set your oven to 150 degrees, 300 degrees. Wrap the ribs in foil with a splash of apple juice or water for extra steam. Seal them tightly and place on a baking tray. Bake baby back ribs for 2 to 2.5 hours, spare ribs for 3 to 4 hours. The house will fill with an irresistible aroma. Check for doneness. The meat should be tender and pulled back from the bones. This gentle cooking makes the ribs melt in your mouth soft. Don't rush. Patience is what makes them special. The low and slow method is the heart of perfect BBQ ribs. Soon, it's time for the finishing touch. The anticipation is worth it. Get ready for the final stage. Let's make them shine. The ribs are tender, but now they need their signature sticky glaze. Brush them with your favorite BBQ sauce, store-bought or homemade. For homemade, mix ketchup, brown sugar or honey, vinegar, and smoked paprika. Paint the sauce generously over the ribs. Return them to the oven at a higher temperature or under the grill. Bake for 10-15 minutes until the glaze bubbles and caramelizes. For extra shine, add a second coat halfway through. Watch closely so the sugar doesn't burn. When done, the ribs will be glossy, deep red, and irresistible. The transformation is complete. The smell is incredible. Your masterpiece is ready. The final step is here. Get ready to serve. Let's feast. Behold your creation, a platter of glistening homemade BBQ ribs. This is food meant for sharing and celebration. Gather your family and friends for a proper feast. Pair the ribs with classic sides, creamy coleslaw, baked potatoes, corn on the cob, or a fresh salad. Cut the rack into individual ribs and pile them high on a platter. Put out plenty of napkins. Embrace the mess. The joy is in the sticky fingers and happy faces around the table. You've turned simple ingredients into a meal to remember. The laughter and satisfied sighs are the true reward. Cooking is about more than food. It's about joy and togetherness. Well done, you. You've made cracking BBQ ribs. Grab one for yourself. You've earned it. Time to tuck in and enjoy. Until the next grand day out, cheers.